Good afternoon. So VTS, it's an internet service that has been developed with the suppliers and the retailers to develop the business activities. Briefly, the website enabled the buyers, so the retailers or registered professional, to order the product directly from the platform. The system then checks if the order complies with the supplier's requirement. If it does, the order is sent to the suppliers, who can then pack and ship the product without any further manipulation. The idea comes from the fact that it is very difficult for both the suppliers and the retailers to operate for the time being. For the supplier, it's very expensive to sell the product. They lose money when to sell the overstock. So they need to identify new networks. For the retailers, they have to remain competitive as compared the pure player. So they must identify good products. They must attract customers into their stores in order to stay in the market. For the time being, there is no services addressing those needs. Most of the platforms are B2C, and when there is B2B platforms such as Upler or Alibaba, they are more to reference brand, to reference product, than to offer effective commercial tools. So when a supplier wants to sell his product, he has to work with a salesperson, he has to go in a trade fair, or he has to develop his own internet website. All these three options are very, very expensive, and there is no flexibility at all for the buyers. And they don't allow to attract new customers, new buyers. So at the other end, you have Vitonstock, VTS. VTS, it's cheap, it's flexible, and we all communicate a lot. We're sending 15,000 newsletters per week. So we are an expanding network of people we're working with. We're working with movie companies, we're working with theater, with hotel chain, etc., etc. The concept was testing in 2014, and the business effectively started in December 2015. Since then, we have recorded more than 1,000 buyers, members. They all selected. On an average, you should know that a salesperson works with 300 shops at the end of his career. We have signed contracts with more than 30 well-known brands, because the sake here is not to reference brand for the sake of it. We need to have good quality product, otherwise we're not going to sell them. We have already recorded more than 80 sales for more than 60,000 euros. Here I forgot to tell you that we exclusively work for the time being on the home interior decoration furniture sector. So the turnover is very low. Obviously, you change your shirt more often than your sofa. But meanwhile, we have members who already ordered 3 times from the website. So they are pleased with the services. They use us as a kind of virtual stock. So what we're looking for, we now have to develop our market, to develop our business. So we now have to hire qualified people to assist us in implementing and developing a communication strategy. We need to add more sector. So we need to hire people with an in-depth knowledge of the sector, such as the textile, more dynamic sector. And then we have also to enlarge our services. For the time being, we're working with a factoring company because we would like to offer factoring opportunities to our members that would enable the buyers to delay the payment and the suppliers to receive the money as soon as the sale is done. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you, Denis. Bravo.